Today we are looking at a completely rebuilt Dodder Mill. This unit was completely rebuilt by us here at Commodity Traders International. This unit was disassembled. All of the wear components were checked. We sent the rolls off to have new felt put on them by W.A. Rice. Those are the people that manufactured this unit. This unit has been completely rebuilt and is in like new condition again. In a minute we will fire it up so you can see it run. We've got the yellow power cable connected to it here. We are doing this as a pre-shipment video. This unit is going to Portugal. We ship all over the world. We've even included a little brochure about what we sell and some products that we offer. We have all of the appropriate components. These are the chutes that give you the 3 cuts of commodity that you run through this machine. Those are bolted up underneath of the unit once it's up off of the ground. We've got the end feeder here rebuilt. We took this apart, cleaned it, made sure it was ready to operate and perform as good as a new one. We have the end feed hopper here. You can see the top of the unit. Again, this unit was disassembled, sandblasted. All of the wear components were checked. Everything was redone on this unit. Has all new belts. It's in excellent condition and is ready to go out and perform as good as a new one and not cost the customer near as much. We're going to fire this unit up for you so you can see it run. And here you can see the unit running. You can see the main bearings turning here. This unit is in all-round nice condition. It's ready to perform. It hums right along. There are no irregular noises. You can see the pulley turning behind the safety shield there. All of the controls are free and work as they should. We've got a variable speed on this unit. Turning it that way speeds up the rolls on the inside of the machine, and then turning it this way slows it down. It changes the ratio of the drive pulley up there. We can take off one of the side covers here. We remove that piece first. Then we slide the door over, pull it up and out, and that exposes the felt rolls. Again, these rolls have new felt on them. The rolls have been reconditioned on this unit. You can see the gears turning in there. This unit is in overall nice condition, and it is ready to go out and perform and run for a long time. This is an all-around nice unit. The video speaks for itself. This Dodder Mill has been reconditioned and sold by us here at Commodity Traders International. We sell a wide variety of seed, feed, and milling machinery. We offer domestic and worldwide shipping. Thank you for watching.